This was a dear friend of mine. We had been in the same church together for many years. She decided that she was a lesbian. I was terribly confused and just devastated. Hi, my name is Allison Wardrip, and I live in Southern California, and this is my story. It was 2019, and I had been going along just in my safe Christian bubble. I was homeschooling my two daughters. I was involved with my church. Then I noticed just some changes in one of my closest friends. She had been questioning her faith, asking some interesting questions, using terms I hadn't heard before, like progressive Christianity. Eventually, she decided that she was a lesbian and she ended up divorcing her husband of almost 20 years. I was terribly confused and just devastated by what was happening. This was a dear friend of mine. We had been in the same church together for many years. We both had two daughters, and we were raising them together with biblical values. So I tried really hard to walk through this shift I was seeing with my friend, but eventually it didn't work out. She canceled me and just ended all contact. Discovered a book group, Natasha Crane's book, Keeping Your Kids on God's Side. I joined the group. That was the first time I had met Krista. Right away, I noticed that I did not have a really solid foundation for my faith. Got connected with the many resources of CFBU, and it literally changed my life. I learned more than I had probably in the 20 years that I had been a dedicated Christian. CFBU is ahead of the curve in terms of what is going to be coming into the mainstream culture. Krista and Monique, they do the hard work in the trenches of reading the primary sources, staying connected to the news and social media. They see the things that are going to be coming and help us as regular people to understand what is going to be happening in the culture, what do Christians need to be aware of, and how to have courage and just continue to stand for biblical truth in a world that just seems to be changing and getting more and more difficult to live as a Christian. I cannot emphasize enough just the impact that CFBU has had on myself and on my family.